Greetings, my name is Keith B. Thomas, and this short video will describe the reasons why I chose to study wildlife management. I am an active duty soldier currently serving my 14th year of service, and I am pursuing a graduate degree in environmental policy and management with a concentration in fish and wildlife management, as well as a graduate degree in environmental hazard mitigation and restoration. A little background on why I chose to study wildlife management. Dr. Jim Knight of Montana State University described wildlife management as the art and science of reaching goals by manipulating and/or maintaining wildlife habitats and populations. One crucial concept in wildlife management is that our objective should be to benefit the population even at the expense of individual animals. Typically, landowners often make decisions regarding wildlife based on the individual effects of a specific creature rather than holistic population effects. For example, wolves reintroduced to an ecosystem absent of the species for decades may cause an imbalance of predator-prey relationships within the newly established niche. Considerations should occur for the previously established niche and the effects wolves will have on the prey population, especially if the prey population balance is stable at the time and space. Additionally, the newly introduced wolves could naturally follow an increase into a crash population cycle, which could cause the wolves to die from a food shortage. Wildlife management is also extremely relevant because it encompasses the improvement or maintenance of habitats and population dynamics, as well as the factors that influence wildlife populations, including Homo sapiens, manufactured chemicals, and other biological factors. There are 3 reasons why I specifically chose to study wildlife management. They are: number 1, in order to have a healthy environment for our children and grandchildren to live in. Number 2, in an attempt to avoid losing species that are on the verge of extinction. Number 3, protect the human food supply and have a sustainable future for the next generations. To expand on my 3 reasons, contrary to American economist Robert Solow's view, which is that sustainability is about distributional equity amongst all generations, and we should all keep in mind that the current generation does not know what the needs will be for the generations decades into the future. Mr. Solow does not believe that restraining economic opportunities for the sake of the environment benefit mankind. I disagree with Mr. Solow's philosophy. I believe that it is the responsibility of my generation and all generations forthcoming to create and/or maintain a healthy environment for our children and grandchildren by limiting our impact during our lifetimes. There are 3 main reasons why creatures on our planet go extinct: habitat loss, hunting, and pollution. I hope to positively contribute to the regulation and monitoring of those 3 factors at the completion of a military service requirement. I am not against creating homes for human survival or hunting in order to lower nuisance populations. However, the implementation of checks and balances is mandatory. The principle of human survival is individually based and strongly anthropogenic. Yet, human survival depends on the health of the environment. For example, Art et al. Suggests that evidence-based policy for reducing damage to wildlife and humans involves not only understanding the ultimate drivers of conflict, but also the management that extends ecosystem and judicial boundaries. In conclusion, for me, the study of wildlife management is not only a stepping stone for my next potential profession. The study of wildlife management will give me the foundation in which to balance the needs of both humans and fellow creatures, all the while protecting the human food supply, lowering the rate at which threatened species are going to extinction, and maintaining a healthy environment for our children.